This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Shuler. Creekfront with mountain views. Endless opportunities on this 6.06 acres with a beautiful 2-bedroom/2-bath split floor plan home. Open kitchen, living and dining area with hardwood floors. A very nice mixture of sheetrock/wood throughout the home. Just enough to give it a country feel. Full unfinished walkout basement that is stubbed and insulated. Would not take much to double your space. Plenty of deck space and a pool for everyone to enjoy. An amazing 210 by 40 pole barn to store your equipment, farm animals and your toys. Best of all, no restrictions. Call me soon before this property is gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Shuler at 8